When you need your windscreen replaced or repaired quickly, you don't need to look any further than Fastfit Nationwide. Our nationwide glass replacement service is second to none, because after all, we've been replacing windscreens since 1990. Our mobile service means that we can fit your new windscreen, or in fact any piece of glass on any type of vehicle, wherever is most convenient to you. Whether you need a new windscreen for your little runaround or for a fleet of vans or HGV vehicles, we can visit you at your home or workplace and can normally get to you the same day. We use the latest fast-drying adhesive, which reduces drive-away time to 30 minutes, meaning you'll be back on the road in no time at all. Where possible, we can also repair small chips. Simply give us a call and we'll advise you on the best solution for you. At Fastfit Nationwide, we don't just fit glass. We can fit any accessory, including tow bars and security locks, as well as ply lining, to any vehicle. So get in touch today. Fastfit Nationwide, the one-stop shop for all your vehicle accessory requirements.